Hey everyone, we just wanted to do a quick unboxing of this steam cleaner. If you're looking to get a deep clean for a rug, couch, or inside your car, then you can't beat a portable steam cleaner. The difference something like this unit makes will have you stunned, and maybe even a little grossed out that you didn't do something like this sooner. This unit here is high quality. You can use it on so many different surfaces inside your home or vehicle. So again, if you're in the market, we can't recommend you check out this product enough.